Cabbage might look like a plain, boring vegetable in your fridge, but it's one of the most powerful foods you can eat. Let's talk about what it really does for your body, its nutrition facts, and the side effects most people never hear about. Nutritional profile. Cabbage is extremely low in calories, but loaded with nutrients. A single cup contains high amounts of vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and fiber, along with small amounts of potassium, manganese, and calcium. It's also over 90% water, making it a hydrating, low-calorie addition to almost any meal. Boosts digestive health. Thanks to its high fiber content, cabbage supports smooth digestion and helps prevent constipation. It also contains compounds that promote the growth of good gut bacteria, especially when eaten fermented, like in sauerkraut or kimchi. A healthier gut means better nutrient absorption and reduced bloating. Supports heart health. Cabbage is rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, especially in the red variety, which help reduce inflammation and lower bad cholesterol levels. Its potassium content also helps regulate blood pressure, making it a heart-friendly vegetable you can eat regularly without guilt. May help fight cancer. Cabbage belongs to the cruciferous vegetable family, which contains sulfur compounds called glucosinolates. Studies suggest these compounds may help the body neutralize harmful substances and reduce the risk of certain cancers, particularly colon and stomach cancer, when included as part of a balanced diet. Supports weight loss. Because cabbage is low in calories yet high in fiber, it keeps you full for longer without adding extra weight. It's a great substitute for heavier carbs in salads, wraps, and soups if you're trying to cut calories without sacrificing volume or satisfaction. Boosts immunity. Vitamin C in cabbage plays an important role in supporting a strong and healthy immune system. It helps your immune cells function properly and supports your body's natural defenses against everyday infections. Vitamin C is also essential for collagen production, which helps your body repair tissues and heal wounds. Adding cabbage to your regular meals can therefore provide a simple and nutritious way to support immunity, skin health, and overall well-being. Side effects of cabbage. Despite its benefits, cabbage isn't perfect for everyone. Eating too much can cause gas and bloating due to its high fiber and sulfur content. People with thyroid issues should be cautious, as cabbage contains goitrogens that may affect thyroid function in large amounts. It can also interact with blood thinners because of its vitamin K content, so those on such medication should watch their intake. So next time you're at the store, don't overlook this humble vegetable. Add cabbage to your meals and enjoy real science-backed benefits. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments what topic to cover next.